Kulisekile kahle ngendlela iqembu edlala ngayo kamuva nje yize lanqoba ngo-13-0 uma sekuhlanganiswe yombili imidlalo liquqiswa omakhelwane eMozambique njengoba seliyodlala emzuliswaneni wokugcina ukuhlungela iAFCON. Iqembu seliphinde lahlangana kodwa ke abekho abadlali abagijima kwamanye amazwe. Enye izinhloso zeqembu njengoba lizodlala ubungani neZambia nje ukuthi iqembu libe yimqemane ngaphambi komdlalo walo neAlgeria. Iningi labadlali njengamanje ahlabelana kanti belingakayidlali imidlalo eqine kangako kulonyaka.
So it's an opportunity for us to test. Players are busy with pre-season at the clubs. Some have their own programs, and we made sure by sending out a program as well 3 weeks ago. So we've got to say thank you to the clubs. Players have come in really, I was excited to see the level of fitness. It's not a lot of time to work. You also have to make sure that the players are fresh at game time.
Usagcizelela ukubaluleka kokushintshanisa abadlali eqenjini njengoba eqhube abadlali abasebancane kanye nalabo asebemkantshubomvu. Ngenxa yobhubhane lwesifo iCovid-19, sikudingeka ukuthi ethembele kakhulu kubadlali abagijima eNingizimu Afrika nabamhlaba umxhwele enyakenye ikakhulukazi emqhudelaneni iAisha Buhari eyanqotshwa iyona iBanyana.
We want to make sure that we don't just bring players in for the sake of bringing them in, but we've seen over the last 2 years we hardly had our overseas-based players, and we had to use our local players a lot in big matches. We went to the Aisha Buhari. We had 12 local and 6 overseas-based, and they really stood up, and that's what we want.
Kanye nethimba labaqeqeshi bakhe bebefisa ukuthi bangatholana phezulu nezwe lisenyakatho nezwekazi eAfrika kobungani. Kodwa ke ngenxa yemdanti ethinta ukuvakashela kwamanye amazwe bagcine benquma ukuyodlala neZambia.
We wanted to make sure that we get a quality friendly and matches between ourselves and Zambia have always been tight and tough, and we know that they will really test us, and that's what you want to be tested. And then the overseas based players come in and we continue with our preparations for Algeria, but this first game, first against Zambia and Algeria, is going to be frightfully important. Like I said, we can't talk about the rest if we don't overcome this.
IBanyana Banyana izobhekisa amabombe eLusaka kusasa iyodlala okungcweka emidlalweni ozodlalwa nesonto.